KPI cards with trend lines are one of the most powerful ways to show performance at a glance in Power BI. Head over to the Build pane and add a line chart. Once it's on the canvas, bring in your revenue field into the Y-axis and month into the X-axis. Simple start. Now let's clean it up. Go into the formatting options and turn off the Y-axis values and title. We don't need those cluttering the card. Then do the same for the X-axis values. This instantly gives it a much cleaner KPI style look. Go into the title section, type in revenue, and adjust the font size to suit your layout. Now here's the key part. Turn on the subtitle and click the FX button next to it. This lets you bind it to a measure dynamically. I'm using a measure with this format expression. This way, your subtitle always shows the live revenue value right on the card. Let's style the line. Reduce up the line width slightly, set the interpolation to smooth, and change the line color to light green. That gives you a nice flowing curve instead of sharp edges. Then turn on the shade area underneath the line and raise the transparency to around 90. This gives a soft, subtle fill that blends beautifully into the background. Almost done with method 1. Adjust the padding, set the background to white, then turn on the visual border and shadow. Get your hands on more advanced visualization tips on Power BI with Global Data 365.